dents. So much paint is removed. It's a really pretty pot. It's huge, a lot bigger than I expected, but arrived damaged, just completely chipped. This paint might chip off when you put your lid on and off repeatedly after years of use. The box was damaged. It's very obviously a return that was not inspected, I don't think. Yeah, it's expensive and just kind of medium, you know. Apparently this gets really hot when you boil, so you have to use a hot pad to take the lid off.
So yeah, I've tried to submit a video. It's practically brand new and it stopped working, so I want a full refund on it.